Influence of Gothic and Faustian themes. The novel draws inspiration from Gothic literature, with elements of mystery, supernatural occurrences, and a dark atmosphere. Additionally, it reflects the Faustian motif, where the main character makes a pact or sells their soul in exchange for eternal youth and pleasure. Symbolism of the portrait. The portrait of Dorian Gray serves as a powerful symbol throughout the novel. It represents Dorian's hidden sins and the deterioration of his soul while his physical appearance remains unblemished. The portrait's transformation reflects the moral decay and corruption that Dorian experiences. Censorship and sensationalism. The book's explicit content and controversial themes led to its censorship and the removal of certain passages when it was first published. Wilde's exploration of homosexuality, though not explicitly stated, was also seen as scandalous for the time. Influence of aestheticism. Oscar Wilde was associated with the aesthetic movement, which emphasized the pursuit of beauty, art for art's sake, and a rejection of conventional morality. The picture of Dorian Gray reflects these aesthetic ideals, exploring the conflict between a life dedicated to aesthetic pleasure and the consequences it brings. Wilde's wit and epigrams. The novel is known for its witty and humorous dialogue, filled with memorable epigrams that showcase Wilde's unique writing style. These clever one-liners and satirical observations on society became synonymous with Wilde's literary works. The duality of human nature. The picture of Dorian Gray delves into the theme of the duality of human nature, presenting the contrast between the public persona and the hidden, immoral desires. It explores the tension between societal expectations and individual freedom. Literary allusions. The novel contains various literary allusions, including references to works by Shakespeare, French authors like Baudelaire and Huysmans, and Greek mythology. These allusions enrich the text and contribute to its depth and complexity. Exploration of decadence and hedonism. Wilde explores the decadent and hedonistic lifestyle pursued by Dorian Gray and his circle of friends. The novel raises questions about the consequences of unchecked hedonism and the pursuit of pleasure at the expense of morality. Psychological character study. The picture of Dorian Gray provides a psychological exploration of its characters, particularly Dorian himself. It delves into his inner conflicts, guilt, and the psychological impact of his immoral actions. Legacy and cultural impact. Despite the initial controversy, the novel has stood the test of time and remains a significant work in literary history. It continues to be widely read, studied, and adapted into various forms, including plays, films, and television adaptations.